Hey, hi guys. Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Okay. Guys, what are the concept we are going to discussing, guys?
Sir, try catch completed. Checked on it, checked exception on checked exception. Try catch also completed.
Like it's also completed.
Yes.
Okay. Visible my screen, guys.
No, sir. Yes, sir. Vijay.
Guys. So tell me what are the hierarchy of that exception handling, guys? Anyone? How many types of exception?
Exception. There are two types of exception and.
Yeah, one by one go, guys. One by one go.
Sir, in exception, we have two types of exception and error. In exception, there are going like class cast exception, null pointer exception, array index bound of exception, and runtime exception.
What we have to call that array index of bound
These
exception?
are called like unchecked exception.
Unchecked
And,
exception. Okay.
yes.
Okay.
And in error part, IO error, out of memory error, stack overflow error. This is called like checked exception.
Checked exception.
Yes.
What is checked exception?
And the exception which is checked by the compiler is known as checked exception.
What is unchecked exception?
So the exception which is not checked by compiler is known as unchecked exception.
Okay. So file not found exception, it comes under checked exception or unchecked exception.
This is a checked exception.
Checked exception.
Yes.
Okay. What is the difference between errors and exception?
Mm. Sorry.
What is the difference between errors and exception, guys?
In exception, we can handle in two types like try and catch block.
Okay. Errors.
And,
Can we handle to that errors?
so we can handle that error by using catch block.
Errors are not recoverable.
Yes.
Can handle them.
Yeah. Exception is means programmatically. Yeah. Programmatically we will get that exception, guys. But errors, it will be get that errors, but we are not able to handle that errors. Okay. There is a stack overflow error, out of memory error. Guys, stack overflow error, out of memory error. You people do you see this kind of example or not, guys?
No, sir. Yes.
No.
Already seen, but sir, updated.
You You people are forget, huh? Stack overflow error is there. Out of memory error is there. Out of memory hmm? When we get that out of memory error. Can we see that example, guys? How we can get that out of memory error and stack overflow error?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Is not yours. Yeah. See here, guys, exception true, right? I'm going to creating, guys, I'm going to creating what? One main method. First of all, I need to create what, guys, here. Public static public void m1. Instead, I'm going to creating exception to object exception ex equal to the exception, and I'm going to creating what, guys? Here one more public void m2, and here also I'm going to creating what, guys? We could do here and need to call to that non-static method. How I need to call, guys?
Through object reference.
Right? Of object reference variable ex dot ex dot m1 m2. I'm going to calling to that m2 method. Inside I'm going to calling what method, guys? ex dot m1, right? So I'm going to create in one main method, guys. Inside that main method, I'm going to creating what object now. I need to call what? I need to call any one method, right, guys? Is this method to see here? You people can check. I'm going to creating that object. I'm going to calling what, guys? M2 method. And here I'm going to creating that object, and I'm going to calling to the M1 method. Guys, is this executed automatically? What is that output it will become, guys? Hello?
Even number is for intro.
Sorry? Given response.
Plus something is for
Where I wrote it?
Sir, are you printed or not, sir?
No, yeah. This is last class I explained that this example, guys. No,
I'm thinking, sir, how it can.
no. Actually, yeah, you people can check in this code only. Okay. M1 method, M2 method. See here, guys. There is a both method are that what is, guys? Static method or non-static method?
Non-static method.
Non-static method. Then what we have to do? How we can call to that non-static method? Guys, you people to identify what is that output it will become. Sorry,
I think out of memory.
out of memory. Yeah. Where? Okay, why? First of all, you people can observe here, guys. You people can observe here. See,
So we create a object.
sorry. I need to
Create
call
object
any one
outside.
method here, guys. I need to call any one method. So from that main method, see main method called by whom, guys?
The first call M1 method.
Yeah, M1 method. Who's calling here? M1 method is there. M1 method called by whom? There is a call method, called method, and caller method is there, guys. If people heard this word, guys, caller, called, anyone? No. If people not heard this word, call method, calling method, called method.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Yeah. So guys, tell me, our when we are going to running our application at that moment, who will execute our code, guys? Our application?
JVM.
JVM. JVM, what it will be checked? JVM, what it will be checked here?
Yeah, that is which method is calling.
JVM, which method is calling, it will be checked. Huh? Guys, you people are forgetted execution flow, how it is going to start it.
No, sir. First we program will start in main method.
Okay.
After method, after main method we create object, but we create outside the main method. And here exception, that exception is constructor. The constructor call to the class.
Consider call to that
And
class.
not class. We are object reference variable through we called M1 method, M1
Okay.
method and into method, sir.
Okay, then am I writing anything inside main method?
No, sir.
No, right? Then it will be executed any methods here, guys?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, right? Why people are confusion here? We created main method that execution and we are running that application. First of all, JVM it will become here and check that there is a main method is there or not. Yeah, it is there. But am I writing any SOP in a statement or am I writing in inside that main method? Am I calling any methods, guys, here? No, right?
No,
Yeah,
sir.
then the JVM will be checked. Yeah, there is nothing we haven't to do this. Then it's not able to execute anything. Guys, when you people are clear in that, at that moment, what guys, what happened in the internally and how it is happened, you people to get right. So you people are confusion. Yes, yeah, created object inside that M1 method and M2 method. But it is not see here. Yeah, my printing this what any output it will become, guys. No, right? Because of inside that method doesn't have anything, guys. We are not able to creating that object and we are not writing to that any what, guys, any SOPLN statement, and we are not able to calling to that any static method also. Yes or no, guys? Then what I need to do, you people can check here, guys. I'm going to creating one more method, guys. Public static void, and I'm going to give in a method. This is that what type of method it is, guys?
Static method.
Static method. So is it can I may I call to that static method directly to that without creating object? I need to call to that M1 method, guys. Is it possible? M1 like
Possible,
this.
sir.
By using class.
by using that creating class, right? Then I'm going to creating that one more object ex equal to new example of m2, right? I'm going to create it, and based on that word, guys, reference variable, I'm going to calling m1 method, right? Then tell me, guys, any output it will become
No, sir.
why?
Because main method is outside the class, but we are not calling. We are not calling.
Excellent. So I'm going to calling that m, guys. M method I'm going to calling. This is the way we can call to that static method, right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Right? And if people can check, guys, what it will become. Here, guys, what it is going to generating. M1, M2, M1, M2. This is that what, guys, is calling to that what output or getting that any error. If people can check here, guys, exception in thread dot main java dot long stack overflow error, guys. If people see into that hierarchy, go and check in your hierarchy, guys. There is a stack overflow error. Is there or not, guys?
Yes, sir. It's there.
Yeah. Out of memory when it will become, guys.
Don't know, sir.
Don't know. See here, guys. See here. I'm going to creating that one array, right? Yeah, I'm going to see, guys. First of all, I need to. This is the way we can see to the stack overflow error, guys. How it is getting the stack overflow error is nothing but, see, if people are calling to that word, guys. If people are going to calling to that start m method. First of all, main method called by JVM, guys. Okay, this is that calling
Yes.
method and called method, guys. This is that m1 m method is that m method calling by whom, guys? M method
Main method.
calling by whom? Main method, right?
Main method.
Yeah, main method calling to that m method, and inside that m method there is a ex dot m1, and inside that m1 method there is a calling to that word, guys, m2 method. Again, if people can check here, guys, if people can check here, m2 here is that m1, here is that m2, means it is that repeatedly it is going to calling, guys. Repeatedly it is going to calling. When send that exception to that this method, guys, immediately this m2 is that sent to calling to this m1, and m1 calling to that m2, m1 m3, guys. That is the reason it is going to throwing what, guys, stack overflow error here, right? Guys, getting or not it? Exception to 21 line number. 21 line number. What is that 21 line number? This is the 21. Next one is that 14. Again, it is getting where, guys? Exception to exception to. Means it is continuously. It is going to calling, guys. Right? If people can check here. M1, M2, M1, M2, M1, M2, M1, M2, M1, M2, M1, M2. It is repeatedly calling or not? Yes. If people are observing or not here. Right, guys? So that is the reason it is going to that stack overflow error, right? And out of memory error, when it will become, guys? Out of memory error. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When it is come to that out of memory error. One minute, give me, guys.